Hey, it's me, Wendy with an I, and I have been tagged in a food challenge, but not just any food challenge, a Disney food challenge by Emma and Jon of the channel Emma and Jon. You're welcome. They are a delightful and genuine couple from across the pond, so thank you so much, guys, for the tag. I'll have their channel and their video where they make funnel cakes linked in my description below. And I've also watched one other video in this tag, and it was Bob and Kelly, and they did the pulled pork cheese fries from Flame Tree Barbecue. Oh, we love that place. Flame Tree is in Disney's Animal Kingdom. Oh, so good. So I'm also going to link their video below because for the love of cheese. Okay, so in my video, what I'm going to try to recreate is one of the sides that we had at Chippendale's Harvest Feast at the Garden Grill restaurant in Epcot, and this is located in the Land Pavilion, and this was so cute. We had lunch there last year, get to meet Chippendale, Pluto, and Farmer Mickey. It's so much fun, and the restaurant slowly rotates as well. It was just absolutely delicious. Some of the things we had was macaroni and cheese with goldfish in it, turkey and gravy. We had this dessert. It was a berry type shortcake dessert. It was so good, and vegetables. But the side I'm going to try to recreate is the stuffing that they had with it. So good. I found a recipe online, and I will link that below because this is not my recipe, so follow along. Okay, I have already washed, cleaned, sliced, and diced and peeled the onion, celery, and apples so I could just save some time in filming. Since my camera is not working right now, I'm having to use my phone. So what we're going to do now is I'm heating up my saute pan to put a cup of butter in there, like the recipe calls for. It seems like a whole bunch. So, but anyway, we're going to saute that with the tablespoon of sage, which also seems like a lot, until it's tender. And I have my cider and chicken stock on a low simmer right now. And then once this is tender, we're going to combine it in the pan with this, along with the stovetop, the stuffing mix. I'm using stovetop, but any stuffing mix. And we're going to combine it, put the lid on it for 5 minutes, and then I'll have Mr. Sweet Tea tell us if it's good or not. So I apologize for my crammed kitchen. We are having a feast tonight. I've got chicken and dumplings right here. So this side here I'm making is going to go great with all the food we're having tonight. Okay. All right. There's my whole bunch of butter in the saute pan. So now I'm going to add all my chopped up, sliced and diced and washed goodies. All right, I'm going to add my tablespoon of sage, and then I'm just going to mix this all up and saute it until it's tender. Okay, I've been sauteing for about 6 minutes actually, but look at that, the butter and the sage. Oh, I don't know if I like how that looks, but I just tasted an apple. It tasted really good. Everything's pretty tender, so what I'm going to do, I can't do this while holding it, but I'm going to put that over in this simmering chicken stock and cider. Then I'm going to add my stovetop, and I'll be back. Okay, so there it all is over in the cider and chicken stock. And I should have said earlier, I got my chicken stock because I boiled chicken for the chicken and dumplings, and that's where I got my cup of chicken stock from, so that should be really good. So now I'm going to add the stovetop package. Okay, I mixed it all up, so now it gets a lid for 5 minutes. I'm following the stovetop directions for 5 minutes, and then we'll see. Oh, I want to show y'all real quick. Look at these yeast rolls, how they've risen up. Oh my gosh, those are going to be so good. Yes, we're having those. And There is a tenderloin in the oven, and we're going to have a figgy balsamic sauce with that. Oh, looking forward to it. Look at these rolls. Oh my gosh. Okay, and here it is after 5 minutes. Ooh, oh, that actually looks really, really good. But y'all know I got my backup box of stovetop in case it is not. Okay, I'm telling you, this stuffing is delicious. Now, I don't know if it's exactly like Garden Grill because that was really good there. But this is good, and I will make this again. All right, here's the real test. What do you think, Superman?
That's pretty good with the apple.
Yeah, I like that too, a lot. Okay, thank you. Well, we ended up loving it. That was actually really good, and I'm used to making my own stuffing, which I call dressing, with a big pan of cornbread. But that was really simple and super, super easy, fast, and good. Actually, really liked that. That's a win for that recipe right there. Okay, so I have to tag someone in this, and during these times we're having right now, I am going to pick one person because I think she's super creative and she's probably eaten everything there is to eat at Disney. So I'm going to go with Niki over at NixPix because she also grows her own garden, and I'm going to link her channel below as well. But Niki, consider yourself tagged. If you can't do this, I completely understand, but I thought with your garden, maybe you could come up with something pretty creative and try to recreate something at Disney that you ate that you loved. Okay, now also, if you are watching and you want to do this and you can find the ingredients right now, please go ahead, do it. Join in on this tag. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope wherever you are, you're having a great day. Be sweet.